So we're in Hawkesbury, Upton, just outside of Wootton, another GMDC rally. We've got, I think, between sort of 75 to 80 diggers here today. As you can see, lightly cultivated, lovely weather. So yeah, hopefully be a nice day, get some nice finds out of it. And we've got a load more coming up as well, back to back, so that should be quite busy but fun.
Right everyone, 9 o'clock, welcome to Hawkesbury. You've got this field in front of you, this field behind, this stubble field. Plenty of history around here. Just hopefully you'll find it, fill your hose in, get off and go and enjoy yourselves. Thank you. Take care everyone.
Gold hammered coin. I think it's Edward III, someone said, but I've got to get it straightened out a little bit because it's a little bit bent, but I think it's complete. I don't think there's any nicks or anything lost from it. I was initially going to walk past it because I thought it was a foil signal, but I'm obviously glad that I dug it. When it actually came out the clod, I did think it was like one of the old milk bottle caps from the old days, sort of gold top milk bottle caps, and then when I looked closely, yeah, I started shaking.
What a day to have a dig, you know. From this morning it was bright, everyone was happy, nice to get into the field, lovely views and stuff. It's nice to see people finding some good little bits after a couple of digs that we've had where people haven't found much. A guy finding a gold quarter noble, that's why we do it, that's why we get people out in the hope that they can find something great to make their day. A lot of people are finding sort of Georgian things, buckles, and a lot of people are new diggers as well, so it's great to see them happy and whatnot. Lovely settings, you know, and a few more digs to come. We're really happy with today. Oh, incredible weather. Maybe a bit hot now actually. This morning it was cooler and people were stopping now and having a drink and you know, putting their feet up for 5 minutes. But it is tough going, I must admit. But as I say, a lot of new diggers keen to find stuff. It kind of gives them a bit of adrenaline and whatnot. Yeah, happy days. A really good day for digging today.